Hello remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I have this Wayfair is hiring to work remote. Yes, they are looking for recruiting coordinator, temporary part-time. If you are looking for this, for more information about applying for this career, so you can go to Wayfair, visit FAQ page, and then you can see. So, as you can see, they have several roles. If you have questions, you can contact them here. Okay. They have this other job. They have chief architect. Yes. And they have this staff engineer, payment and royal. So, Wayfair is hiring, and we can visit the website actually. So, this is the website. Recruiting coordinator. You can become recruiting coordinator, and this job is for United States only. Okay, the job description here, you can see they have this schedule 7 to 11 a.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, it's just flexible as needed, so you can work from your home. It's just to work from home, and the Wayfair candidate experience team is charged of creating a positive hiring experience of our candidate and internal partner to ensure we hire the best and the right talent into each role. Recruiting coordinator are essential part of hiring process and facilitate the movement coordinator through the interview process. What you will do, coordinate and execute seamless and efficient virtual and on-site interview schedules, effective communicate with candidate gathering and availability. Okay, heavy calendar, so you will need verbal and written communication skills, comfortable and ambitious and multitasking, proficient in Google Suite and applications and recruiting tools such as Greenhouse, Good Time, ProRoot, and so many more. So, ability to work collaboratively with all level and law within organization. So, if you need assistance, you can click here and read through these questions. Okay, so let's say, can I apply from multiple job? Yes, you can apply. What happened after submit the application? Our hiring team will review application and reach out to you if they believe you might be the match of the job. Will I be notified if the job is filled? If you haven't heard from Mars within 2 months of submitting your application, you will likely proceed with other candidates. So it means they will proceed with other candidates. How do I find out about salary information, paid time off, or other benefits? We provide salary or hour rate range from some roles which can be found on the specific job description. Okay, where do I find the law location? If it is remote, the location for all law is listed upper left corner. Okay, so what if I need communication to complete the application or the interview? So Wayfair is fully committed to provide equal opportunity for all individuals. Alright, how do I receive the employment verification? You can obtain verification of employment and income from through work, company name, you can see the details and everything. So guys, if you are ready to work with Wayfair and become recruiting coordinator, please go ahead and apply. You can see it's you remote and you can work from anywhere in the United States and you can work part-time. Okay, so yes, this is the job that you can see and you can click here apply. So Wayfair actually have like their standards. You have to apply your CV, you have to upload your cover letter, you have to touch your email, your phone number. Also, you can apply through your LinkedIn account. Yes, guys, this is the job that I had for today. Yes, good luck in your application. I hope to see you soon. Yes, I make video every single day. Please share with your friends who are looking for new opportunities, new job, part-time jobs. Yes, work from anywhere actually. So, yes, share with them and have a great time. See you next time. Bye bye.